I'm on a mission to the point that motherfuckers think I'm smoking. Yeah, that sick nigga Biggie with the 8-shot fifth, with the extra clip for that extra shit. Don't you know that a killing is thrilling? All the blood spilling is all a part of drug dealing. I'm born gangster, my daddy was a thug. Had a 38 with the hollow point slug. So when he lick shots, niggas drop quicker than a bootlegger sells his liquor. A little nigga trying to squeeze 22s in my Reebok shoes, paying dues while kids was on their ones and twos. But now I'm much older, colder, fuck a holster. Got the Mac 11 swinging from my shoulder. It's a damn shame